Watch. Hello everyone. Today I have the LEGO Volvo FMX truck with EC230 electric excavator. 2,274 pieces. Now let's open it. Let's look at the instruction book. Three instruction booklets and a butt ton of stickers. Oh my God. Well, first, you have your excavator, your trailer and battery, and the truck itself. Now let's count how many bags we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. A huge pile of plastic. Now, let's build it. Now we have the finished product. Whoa! We have a Volvo truck, the battery box that can open up, and a rope that I'll show you later what it's meant for. And then the star of the show. You also have a trailer that can move, and an excavator. Now, we have some excavator functions. You will not believe it that you can open the door. It has movable switches but don't really do anything. It has a movable seat. I don't think you're supposed to move. Going to the butt, you have the Volvo logo. And then you have 2 switches that will give you a big surprise later. And then you have another mirror and some lights. Like 1 light, 2 light, 3 light, 4 lights. I can turn it 360 degrees. The tracks actually move, like when I go forward. But if I go on like a slippery surface or like a little bit slippery surface and with like less friction, the tracks don't move. So what I would recommend if you want the tracks to work, to go on a Lego base plate. Now let's look at some of the functions of the pneumatic excavator. First, you have 2 pneumatic cylinders. One of them, which connects to this part of the arm. I can move this part of the arm by using 2 tubes, one black and one grayish, that connect through here through a hollow piece, and then go through here somewhere under, and then connect to this pneumatic valve. So when I flick it, like when I want to make it go up, and then I click the button a few times, it goes up. Now you have the other one, the one that makes it go up and down, which is this pneumatic cylinder. You have 2 tubes, one black and one gray again, that run through here, somewhere over here in this area, and connect to this pneumatic valve. If I want to make it go up, I do this with this sticker that says up. So I flick it this way, and then I push the pneumatic cylinder button, and then bing, goes up. And then if I want it to go down, I can make it go the down mode. But if you want to like store some air, so then you can like make it like move on its own when you release the switch, what I would do is I would just I would put both switches to the middle, and I would press the button like a few times until you can't move it down anymore. Then when I release it, it moves on its own. All they need to do is just move the switch, and then it can move on its own. I think that is really cool. Now it's time to test it. Oh yeah. First, I extend the arm, and then I push the button a few times. And then after it's over, I can make it go back into the middle. And then I just flick it to this one. And then I can flick it back up. And then now time for the big moment. The moment that you guys have all been waiting for. Does it actually work or does it not? Now, time to put it into the dump truck. But the dump truck does not come in the set, so. Beep, beep. Ready, set. Release the payload. Oh my gosh, it works truly. This is incredible. Oh, now to get it out, I just need to press the button, and then there we go again. Now you have a cool part, the Excavator's battery. It has chains connected to it so that you can either hold it or like have some sort of hook. And then these two small hooks, use these hooks to pretty much like put this on, which I think is so cool. And then you can like put it into the truck. But the battery box is a little bit heavy, so like it will eventually, like, because if you see over here, they're not really like touching, or if they are, they're very lightly touching. Yeah, I think that is so cool. And then you just lower it. Yeah. Now let's look inside. 3, 2, 1. Dun 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 dun. Boom. And then over here you have pretty much like a cable if you think of it hard enough, like a wire. And then if you didn't notice on this side of the excavator, there is like a stud that's sticking out. So I get this rope and then I connect it, and then use your imagination to imagine that the Volvo electric excavator is charging. Now, I didn't forget about the truck, the excavator's buddy. You need to roll it up again, and then it comes with, the truck itself has really cool functions. Like if I pull this side or push this side like this, push, it can come off. Now it reveals a truck. It has turnable wheels, openable doors, some lights that spin, but I don't think that they're supposed to. And then you have mirrors, or what I like to call ears. The coolest part isn't here yet. You have some stickers, like the Volvo sticker, and then the 540, and another 540, and another Volvo, and some headlight stickers, and Volvo, and this sticker. But the coolest part, if you look inside here, you look carefully, the thing inside moves. And then if I pull this, and then I can lift this up, you have a movable engine. So if I lift this up, and then if the back wheels don't touch the ground, it doesn't really do anything. So then it's powered by the back wheels. But then the back wheels turn different directions. Like it wants me to go this way. Like if I want to. So then you need to spin it from both directions, the same direction, and then it spins the engine. This is really cool, like some of the other Lego Technic cars. But I've never seen it on like a Technic construction set or anything. This is really cool because this is looking to me, it looks like a step ladder, and then like I can just climb up here, open the door before I get in, and then sit down. And here are some armrests. Now we have the cool part. Both cars need to use this. You have the trailer. I'm just gonna turn this around. If I turn this, look on the bottom, the stabilizers come down, and they can support a lot of weight. I'm pushing as hard as I can. Now, let's assemble it. Boom. Push. Stabilizers up. Excavator in. Trailer up. I like this part because like if I would make it go forward to like fit something else on here, like the Lego bulldozer or like the Lego backhoe, I guess. But like they're really cool. So if I wouldn't have anything, I just let it drop. There. Without the stabilizers, it's actually pretty weak. It's very bendable. Beep, 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 beep. Heavy machinery coming through. Beep, 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 beep. I love this truck, this trailer, the excavator, the battery, every single part of this is incredible. I love the fact that you can control this, the arm, with the control panel right here. I love that it has that small detail where you can plug in the battery. And I love every single detail of the truck. This is unbelievable, remarkable that someone came up with an idea like this to make the excavator be able to move. Whoever designed this is literally a true genius. Hope you enjoyed the video.